What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lil Clay. I'm gonna have to make this intro pretty quick because my mom should be here any minute to pick me up because we're going to the gym. Welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna be also going to the grocery store, but I won't be vlogging that just for a bit of an issue with putting videos from my phone on my laptop. I'll explain that later, but I want to go ahead and finish getting ready and get my shoes on because my mom should be here any minute. But with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, my name is Lil Clay and I have high functioning autism. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so it's actually the next story. Blooper. It's actually the next day. Long story short, I had to help my mom with something, so I didn't really have time to do any of the stuff I need to do. But today is Wednesday, and we're about to go see my brother Nasir ride a sheep at the Jerome Davis Rodeo. This is the last rodeo I think of the year, so I really wanted to go because I couldn't go last time just because the day before I didn't get enough sleep last night and I was really tired, so I felt like it was better for me to stay home and rest. So this time I sure as heck I'm not gonna miss it. The first time Nasir did fall off, but he held on to the sheep. The second time he didn't let go, I don't think, until he got to the mark or whatever you call it. I'm really excited to see what he does this time, but no matter what he does, he's doing it, he's having fun, he's trying his best, and that's what all that matters. So it's good. 5:42 p.m. and I'm just gonna wait a few minutes to get ready and ride there with my mama.
Run out the door, hightail it into town. A lazy day, a heat wave haze with music all around. Don't be fooled by what's old school in Nashville, Tennessee. This Southern belle, man, she's filled with high society. Turn me up, raise a bottle. I got all my friends and you better let them in. Honky tonk road never gets old, that's just fine by me. Welcome to Music City. We know where to go, know who to meet. Take dirt roads around busy streets. A life homegrown is better than not. I'll give you a call when I'm at the spot. Spend some time on Broadway with some Southern Dixieland. When the day is through, head out of town. Bonfires on demand. Turn me up, raise a bottle.
on, Nasir. You got it in your jeans there, cowboy. I believe that made the 4-second mark. Yes, ma'am.
We got a future barrel world champion right there, guys.
I heard he don't even let go when his head's dragging. He just keeps hanging on.
Good job, Nasir. You're welcome. Hey, buddy.
Katie, I think this is Fireball.
Yeah.
Fireball. The ring.
Busting ride.
He was your champion of the night.
That is
Sage
correct.
won her other buckle, so Sage said for the champion of the night, let Nasir have the regular little Wild West Wednesday buckle. So we're gonna bring Nasir out here to get a picture with him real quick. How about everybody giving it up for Nasir? This is his first buckle ever.
Ain't nothing like that first one.
Huh?
Yeah, you want out?
Sure.
I know one thing, there is a proud buddy walking behind him right now.
Hey, John, can you tell a little backstory about Nasir? Nasir, guys, has got an awesome story behind him. Nasir is completely deaf. And so, Richard and Leslie, who adopted Nasir when he was very young, Richard has always helped us teach people right himself. So they told Nasir, they said, Nasir, just don't let go until somebody touches you. And so that's why Nasir has all the way to the fence every time. But you're not going to find a more good-hearted, young, and sweet youngin' than Nasir right here that has her heart. He says it's going to be a boy out when you go to varsity. Yep. We don't know if his mama said that's okay. So anyway, how about everybody? Why don't y'all stand up for Nasir? So, give Nasir a round of applause. You can see y'all doing that. Yes, you can.
Take your hat off, buddy. Take your hat off.
Yes, it is.
Do we have our Nasir down there?
Good boy.
All right, Richard, you get a picture of Nasir? Yeah. All right, y'all are on it. Good job, Nasir.
That's why I don't like wearing Crocs. I mean, wearing sandals.
We're ready for that Nasir.
I think I'll be going out there.
All right, we're going to go back down to the team rope and boxes. For our rerun, here's Shane Johnson on the head side, possibly Roy on the heel.
I'm walking red.
Do what? Oh yeah. What's good?
Come on, Shane.
Do what?
Oh yeah, he gets his stretch out there, breaks leg, possibly in the trap. How about it? Clean.
There. Look.
All right, how about a 9.68? The old gun showing them how it's done.
Got what you need, son, as we sat down in the cellar. He reached through the cobweb as he turned on the light and said, it might be.
All right, with that run right there, we can say the Colton St. Tyler Norris is your winning team.
guitar, run out the door, hightail it into town. A lazy day, a heat wave haze with music all around. Don't be fooled by what's old school in Nashville, Tennessee. This Southern belle